Hi, it's Michelle from Gaia's Workshop. I have been working my little fingers to the bone making stock drums this week, so I decided that I would do a quick video and show you everything I've made. These are all going to be up in our Etsy shop, and they are all one of a kind, and they do not last long. So if you hear something you like, you might want to go out and grab it. We're going to start with this 10-inch deer manifestation drum. It's got 9 lacings and 3 handles, which represents by the power of 3 times 3, as I will, so mote it be. It's very lightweight, it's good for kids, it's good for travel. This is what it sounds like. It's so high because it's very small. This next 10-inch drum is a reindeer. It's made in the European peg style. It's got a wooden handle. And this one sounds like this. No, it's reindeer's a really special hide. And to the 13-inch ones, we have a European style peg drum and horse with an antler handle. This one is 13 inches. And it sounds like this. Next, we have a horse spirit drum. This one has the 4 directions handle, which is the traditional handle of the Plains natives. It represents the 4 directions of the medicine wheel. This one is, they're also 13 inches, and this is what it sounds like. This next one here is a deer spirit drum, which also has the 4 directions handle. And this one sounds like this. Well, I guess I was doing 13 inches and 4 directions handles. This one is a deer. All these hoops are cedar. This is what this one sounds like. Okay, moving on to the 15-inch drums. This is a spirit drum as well with the 4 directions handle. This is an elk. And this sounds like this. Elk is very, very bassy and is a favorite of a lot of people because it has such nice bass tones. This next drum here is a buffalo. I always make buffalo in the spirit design because buffalo is so sacred to the Plains people that I don't want to make it in any other way than their traditional way. So this is what the buffalo sounds like. This next one is a horse. This horse has part of the main stripe on it. This is the horse's neck. I love these because it shows the reality of the animal spirit that you're working with. And it also gives you 3 different tones because the neck skin is really thin and the main skin is thick. So it sounds different in different ways. This is a harmonic shamanic drum. That's the drum that I invented to represent the pagan ways of the 4 directions of spirit. 5 is a sacred number for us. And that's what this one sounds like. So that's on the main stripe. So that's a very cool thing about the main stripe horse drums. They have multiple sounds. This drum here is calf. It's the first time I've ever worked with calf. It was an experiment. I wanted to find out what kind of drum it made, and I think it's pretty fabulous. This is also a harmonic shamanic. And as you can see, the calf is very translucent and quite pretty. This is what it sounds like. Working with it, it feels like a combination of the deer and the horse, and the sound is pretty much the same. It's got the long sustain of the deer and the multiple timbre of horse, so it's kind of a cool thing, and I think we're making more of them. But this is the only one we have at this point. In 18-inch, this is our harmonic shamanic elk, and because the drum's getting bigger, we're getting lower and lower. This next one here, I love this drum. Okay, sit there. This is a harmonic shamanic horse, but if you can see inside the rim, the cedar rim itself is dark and light colored, and the horse came out dark and light colored. And it is so cool because you can actually see the different colors of the cedar in the scallops around the horse, and this is a beautiful drum. I love it. Next we have an 18 by 14 deer. This is an oval hoop. It's a harmonic shamanic drum. And the oval ones are nice because there's also different ranges of sound, because this is narrower up here and this is wider. So, very cool drum. This one here is a 24 by 20 inch reindeer. This is made in the European style. It has a oak branch for a handle. The handles are suspended on these so that they don't affect the sound of the drum at all, which makes a big difference to the sound. So here's this one. God, I love reindeer. And then I'm also going to show you guys again this drum. This is a buffalo drum made by me and painted by one of our artists, Rowan Kimsey. It's a weasel that was in her yard, and she has a long story about the whole weasel thing. This is a harmonic shamanic drum, and this is what this one sounds like. Thank you very much for listening. Like I said, these will be on our Etsy shop, Gaia's Workshop Drums, and or they're in our shop at 475 Northeast Burnside Road in Gresham, Oregon. Thank you. Bye.